Encourage the little designer in your family with this fashion design kit. My granddaughter, who is 9, just got this as a gift, and she has been working on it almost nonstop since she got it. It's made for ages 6 and up, but like I said, the 9-year-old is really loving it. I actually think 6 years old might be a little young for this. At like 8 or 9, that would be your perfect sweet spot to start with it. Let me show you what's inside of it. It comes with the production process, which is really cool. It shows you exactly how to do all of the things. It shows you how you would use the mannequins that come inside of it and the process for production. And there's a fashion board with inspiration and designs. And it comes with QR codes for video instructions. There are template patterns to start out with. There's one that she's already cut. Lots of different fabric swatches. What's a dress without tulle? It comes with 6 different mannequins. You do have to assemble them, but it is really easy once you know how to do it. Little bag of sewing supplies with some thread and some needles, different kinds of needles in there for you. Scissors for cutting, some ribbons and sashes, retractable tape measure, lace, different embellishments, accessories, honestly everything you need and more, especially for the price that I paid for this. Here are 2 of the designs that she spent some time working on yesterday. This is where you push the fabric in. There's a little tool that comes that helps you do that. These are really cute. She's just been keeping her really busy without screens. Check it out for yourself, especially if you have one of those little ones that likes to design things. This has been really great for her.